all of this stuff. This week I have a big giveaway from Rowan, more specifically a new Rowan exclusive store here in the US in Fredericksburg, Virginia. It's opening up early next month in September, and they ship to the US and they ship internationally. The store is called Rowan at Finnegan's Run, and it's the first Rowan exclusive store in the US. I think there's one other in the UK. Just Rowan, all Rowan. And if you're familiar with Rowan yarns, a lot of people are because they've been around since the 1970s. They're known for really beautiful quality wool yarns. And I would even say that the palette of the yarns is like colors found in nature. And it was funny because I posted a teaser online and for this giveaway, and so many people chimed in and said, oh, 20 years ago, I knit my favorite sweater out of Rowan yarn. I still wear it to this day. And I actually have a similar story. My favorite cardigan since the early 2000s is knit out of Rowan felted tweed. It's the cardigan the one I reach for first all the time. It's like a light cardigan. It works perfect in Texas when it starts to get chilly. Anyway, so a lot of people have a lot of history with Rowan yarns. So we're excited about this Rowan at Finnegan's Run store. And I want to tell you about the giveaway. I have all this stuff here because I love their packaging. I have 3 yarn kits to give away. It is a yarn kit for this scarf called Nauset Light. I think that's how you pronounce it. Let's go ahead and cut away to a picture of the scarf. It's pretty. And in the kit, you get 10 hanks of Rowan Valley tweed yarn, 100% wool. I'm going to try to show you all the colors. 10 hanks of yarn, no problem. I have long fingers. There goes one. 10 hanks of yarn in the kit to knit the scarf. 3 of these to give away, all because we're excited about the new Rowan at Finnegan's Run store in Fredericksburg, Virginia. And I'll show you, actually I have my in progress Nauset Light shawl going here. This is one of those scarf shawl wraps that you can actually grab and wear instead of a sweater. You know, it's that kind of generous snuggle thing, almost a blanket. If you would like to enter this giveaway, 3 people are going to be very lucky. If you want to enter this giveaway, click the little eye in the upper right hand corner to be whisked away to my website where you'll see the sign up form. And when you sign up, you're also signing up for Rowan at Finnegan's Run's newsletter. So you'll be informed of things going on, when the store is opening, you know, how they're opening during the pandemic. All of that will be, I'm sure, in their newsletters coming up. And I think that's, I'll also put a link to my website in the video description field below. We will announce the winner next week in video. This giveaway is open internationally, so go ahead and sign up wherever you are. They ship internationally. The giveaway is international too. I am having a great time knitting this shawl. Whoever wins is going to have a great time knitting this shawl. I'll also give a link to the shawl on, so you can put it in your Ravelry queue. And as soon as the link in the Rowan at Finnegan's Run's online shop is available to get your own kit, I will make that available on my website as well. Anyway, 3 lucky winners. Good luck.